Today we're stealing the roasting part of a tomato soup's recipe. We're gonna make a butter chicken with it. Just roughly chopping veggies in half, 1 whole garlic, and about this much of ginger. A glug of olive oil, lots of pepper, and salt. Into a preheated oven, 180 degrees Celsius. Now in a different tray, we're going boneless, skinless. Chicky thighs. The bottom for now. The chicken was marinated the day before. Yogurt, salt, pepper, and garam masala. Woo! Now move the chicken to the top rack and put the oven on the broil setting. Let's chop up the ginger. Ooh, the garlic. Okay, they're kind of pretty done. Going in with a lot of oil. In goes the ginger. Go in with the garlic. I hate chopping the vegetables, so I'm just trying to come up with a system or a way that I can just get past chopping. 4 big tablespoons garam masala, half tablespoon Kashmiri chili, half tablespoon turmeric, tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 2 green chilies. Spices get toasted. Now when it is smelling just absolutely amazing, the tomatoes with all the juices and glory and everything. Take a whole bunch of coriander, break off the stems, and into our mix. Let everything just cook. Let's check on our chicken in the meanwhile. Juicy goodness, pour it in. About 5 minutes later, everything has softened up. Everything is smooth, ready to receive the chicken. Chop it into bite-sized pieces. Now once all the chicken is in, give it a good mix. Now while that's cooking, take a small saucepan, 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, a touch of olive oil, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. As soon as it starts bubbling, just turn off the heat. Our tadka is ready. Once the chicken is cooked, adjust the salt. Now go in with this beautiful tadka. Mix it all in, turn the heat down, add a bunch of coriander, just break it with your hands and mix it in. Now serve with a generous amount of basmati rice. Put some more cilantro or coriander on top. Oof. And marvel at what you've just made. Bismillah.